Hello, welcome to the Computing Open Day introduction. My name is Dr. Gary Hill and I'm the head of Business Computing, Computing and Games, but also one of the tutors. Today at the university there will be live talks, question and answer sessions throughout the day, including personal statement, accommodation and finance talks, among others. There will be virtual campus tours so you can see the campus without actually physically going on campus. Live chats and social media throughout the day for any questions that you might have about the university and the courses. So what about the courses themselves within computing? Our computing courses can be studied part-time or full-time and are designed to support the careers of UK and international students. All our courses or pathways include an optional placement to enable you to put into practice any theory and practical knowledge developed throughout the course. There are 9 main courses or pathways that we run at the University of Northampton. These are anything from general computing, business computing, which will include sort of web design and computer systems themselves, business computer systems, network engineering, software engineering, web technology and security, systems engineering, which is computer systems engineering in terms of hardware. We've also got a couple of pathways called virtual reality and industrial simulation, together with mobile application development. That seems quite a lot of options there. So how do you choose which course or pathway to study with us at the University of Northampton? Basically, all the subjects I mentioned do share a fairly common first year, with an easy option to transfer at the end of the first year if you prefer another course or pathway. The first year does specifically give you the option to study the fundamental subjects within computing and therefore a good insight into the other pathways. So at the end of the first year you should have a good idea if you'd like to transfer to one of those other courses or pathways, and we try and make that as easy as possible for you. So if you're a bit uncertain about which of those flavours of computing you're interested in, then the first year is fairly common. You can always make your mind up at the end of the first year. In terms of why would I suggest you study at Northampton, or what's one of the advantages possibly? If I start with the team, the course team, the lecturers, the tutors are all are made up of international staff with industrial and research experience in applied computing. They bring that expertise to their teaching. The team teaches by blending relevant theory whilst still aiming to develop students' practical skills. In terms of the assessment that you would do at the University of Northampton, the assessment methods are selected to be appropriate to the module, to the subject that you're studying, but are most commonly based around coursework to develop your practical skills in applying what you've learned. I've already mentioned previously there's a placement option available for all students, undergraduate students, and this would normally be taken between the second and third year. This would obviously aim to put into practice your practical experience, your technical experience that you've already learned. Right, so let me sum up. So thank you very much for watching and listening. Please don't forget to visit the course web pages that will give you further details about each of the courses in computing that I've mentioned. There is obviously an Open Day web page as well with more details about the Open Day more generically. We look forward to meeting you in the future. So thank you for listening again. Bye for now.